So this month we have an extra kit. It's a limited edition kit. It's our limited edition travel kit. Travel kits are always my absolute favorite. I love everything about, well, I love to travel, first of all, but I also love all the imagery. So even if I didn't travel, I would still just enjoy the imagery of it. I would enjoy, I love maps. I love all of it, honestly. So even if I didn't travel, I think I would look at it as, life is an adventure, and I would use all of the product just that way, because I just, like I said, the imagery, everything about it, I love, I love, 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 love. So I did a fun layout. This is how I do my scrapbooking. So I show you a lot of examples, a lot of different ways. This is what I stick to. So even though I try different things or I do different ways, I show you examples like in the scrapbooking kit or the creative kit. But what I do for me personally, that I always do, is I take a photo a day. And then I go back, and this is our Daisy Planner. And this is the Unbound, and then I punch the holes in it and put it in this binder. This is a binder from Citrus Twist. And I literally do a photo a day. And then I record just the normal everyday bits and pieces of life. And I love this system. This system just works really, really well for me. It's kind of old school scrapbooking a little bit, but it also has some great journaling in there, and I love it. I love it, love it. And I love doing it this way, where I punch the holes, because then I can add other layers. I can add, I love to do a trick where I'll take a postcard or one of our 3x4 or 4x6 pocket cards. So if I have extra pictures, or it's a vacation and there's a lot of other pictures, I can do something like this and add more photographs to it. So for this spread, I used our great travel kit. And one of the things I wanted to point out about the travel kit this time is, just like the creative kit, we did a patterned paper notepad. The only paper that is the same is that one, just because I thought it was such a great paper. Everything else is exclusive to this kit. So we have these great pattern papers. That was the vellum, which I loved so much. I had her turn it into a pattern paper. Isn't that fun? So you get a whole pad of paper. And what I love about this is, if you do any journaling, I did some journaling while I was in St. Lucia, and I actually I'm going to be honest, I snuck some of this ahead of time to use in my journal because it's thinner. So if you're doing, if you're working in like a traveler's notebook, this is a great weight of paper for that. And I think going forward, I enjoyed this so much that from now on, in any of our limited edition kits, I think I'm going to do a paper pad. I like it better. I think you get more variety of the paper. And again, if you're doing it in a TN, it works really, really well. So you get that, which I love. And then there was 2 of the oversized tags, and I put that one on here. I thought that was a great way to kind of start my page. There's a bunch of stickers. So the travel kit, you can get a bundle. You can get the travel kit with the stickers, or you can get it without. I highly recommend getting it bundled with the stickers, because there's some great stickers and this good alpha in here. These come in the kit. So this sticker sheet actually comes in the kit, as does this great alpha, the beautiful rub-ons. Love these. And these right here are some of my absolute favorites to use because they layer so well. I was a little photo heavy, so I didn't have as much room for embellishment. But if you want to try journaling or creating a fun little journal while you are in the moment, I highly recommend getting this kit. That's all you need. You have the great stamp set, throw in a black ink pad and an acrylic block and a glue stick, and you're done. Bring along your little photo printer and you're good to go. This little envelope comes with it as well. I love to include these because you could add more journaling, you could add ephemera in there, you could add more photographs in there, or you can just use it as an embellishment too. So you can do either way with that. The stamp set turned out so cute. Isn't that great? I used that in a number of spots, even on the photograph. If you use an ink like a StazOn ink, that will work great on your photographs. I used some of the alpha stickers on there. I did a little bit of stamping on here. Some of the fun washi tape. You get 2 rolls of washi tape. Die cut, some of the rub-ons. This is one of the stickers. One of the die cuts there as well. And then a couple of the other things that I wanted to point out that come in the kit and kind of give you some ideas on how you could use them. So you get this great taxi cab embroidery patch. It has adhesive on the back. And that I actually stuck to. I have this this is from Bobo Design Studio, and they are out of, I think she's out of Palm Springs. And she has these great Wanderlust notepads. Aren't these fun? This one I started all about when Nicole and I went to Chicago for the sidewalk sale. And so I think I'll add some more Chicago stuff in here. But I stuck because it's more all about being in the city, I stuck my little taxi cab patch on there. I thought that was cute. You can put this on a pouch. You can put this on, if you want to put it on a TN, you can put it on a TN. We had, I think it was last year, the year before, we did a travel kit where we had a TN cover. It would be really cute on that as well. I think it would look really cute on a pouch too. One of our pouches would be, our totes would be fantastic. The Cocoa Daisy 15-year, I don't have one close by. The Cocoa Daisy 15-year tote, I think it's in my bedroom. Anyway, sorry. Would be because of the yellow, it would match and look really, really cute on there as well. And then this little guy, isn't that an adorable charm? So this, you could, similar to the little car, you could put a paper clip on this and use it just as a clip. You could add a bead chain to it and hang it from a ring if you wanted to, but you can also put it on a TN, which is what I did here. So I have our lovely brass plate. Yeah, the little brass plate charm. I have that on here, and then I hung this one on here with my little one from that Jenny got me from Japan. But isn't that cute? So you could hang it there. You could even possibly hang it there. But that's what that little charm is for. And that comes in the kit as well. You could even, I think it's small enough, which is what I love. You could add it to a little zipper as a little zipper charm too. So that's a look at what I created using our limited edition travel kit.